Jen. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just got the Lindo security doorbell. It has a 2-camera system, so you see when packages are delivered at your door, or when a friend might drop something off for you. Imagine, if you will, a prowler that is looking for anything at your doorstep to see what might be left at your door. The Lindo Dual-Cam Video Doorbell removes the blind spots in your field of vision. With this dual camera design, a camera on the top and on the bottom, it shows you everything super clear. It's got 2K resolution, and that HDR, high dynamic range quality, is going to let you see the blacks and the whites and the full spectrum of the color hues, which is important so you can recognize the bandit. You might need that footage to show law enforcement. And having that second camera below lets you know many things when packages arrive or when packages are taken. And the motion detection will show that person coming up to your porch and show him leaving after he's stolen your article for proof in the pudding. And the video surveillance is a 24-hour recording, and so this smart doorbell is there when you need to record. It will go on. Here I am coming in after a night having dinner with my friends. Let's roll out again, because apparently I'm the only one that visits my house at night. That's what the night shot looks like. That was really clear. The night feature has a 6 integrated 850 nanometers and 290 nanometers infrared lights that lets you see visitors in the dark. Lindo has a new battery technology that has a super long battery life. It can stay 3 to 6 months depending on activity, surveying your property. And only recording when there's a motion detection. I set mine to highly sensitive. I want to know everything going around, but you can also set it to medium or low if you chose to. You can also adjust the duration with the battery mode. You might decide you want a longer duration or shorter. Depending on that, we'll use the battery up quicker or slower. And you can put the doorbell part anywhere you want in your house where you hang out, just in case you can't hear it at the door. This is what it sounds like at your door when someone rings the doorbell. They hear this. And wherever you are in the world, when someone comes to your house, anywhere you are, you'll get notified on your cell phone. So when I'm outside doing my gardening in a place that I could never hear what's going on in the front door, any doorbell at all, my phone is going to go off and notify me. So I can just press my phone and see who's at the door. There's even a 2-way talk feature. Hey! Hi, Jen!
I heard somebody had a birthday. I was in the neighborhood.
Fantastic. Hold on a second. I'm so glad you're here. Can you stick around for coffee? Let me get to the door. I'm in the backyard gardening.
Absolutely.
Okay. Hi!
Hey, happy birthday!
You're so great to come over and bring me a
So
present.
I was driving by. I've had it in my car, but I had it before your birthday. So I know I'm almost right on time.
Well, come on in. I'm making coffee.
All right,
come on in.
Perfect. Thanks. I love how you saw me walking up.
And I love that feature because it gives me the freedom to be anywhere in the world I want to be and still watch my front door. A lot of dual cam security doorbells don't really show you all of what's going on around your package. There are blind spots, as well as the camera looking out to when the motion appears and things come in. And also there's blind spots of people arriving to your door. The Lindo doorbell doesn't have those problems. They've thought ahead with 2022 technology. There are no blind spots. The Lindo Dual-Cam security doorbell came right to my door. So I put the package on my counter and I opened it because I want you to see how it will arrive to your door too. So I took both and put them on my counter. And I thought the box was unusually small for all that I was going to get in there. The box had a great design. It was clear on the front of what I was going to get in the box. It had the product features. It's a dual-cam video doorbell 2K. I like that it gave me a little review of what the camera was all about. The box is made out of cardboard, so I opened it and I took out the other boxes inside of it. What struck me was all of these boxes that are inside it are all recyclable, which is better for our planet. The top box had the boxes I would need for step 1, 2, and 3. So I laid those on the counter too so you can see them. I opened up box 1 and this is what came in that box. You have the charging cable, you have a sticker, you have the user manual, and then in box 2, There was the mounting bracket and also an angular bracket just in case you have a door that has an angle to how it's framed with the wood around your door. That was really smart. I've never seen that before. And a sticker to make mounting easier. It has a whole layout so you don't have to fuss with that. They give you the template for where your screws are going to go. Brilliant. And then in box 3, you get all the screws for all the different configurations of how it might be at your house, including a hard wire in case you want to hardwire it. And last but not least is the Lindo Dual-Cam Video Doorbell 2K. So I took those out of the box too to show you it all. I wanted you to see the front of them and the back of them. Where it plugs into the wall, there's a speaker. That's what the little grid on the top is. And the plug is a standard 110 voltage plug. And the front of the Lindo doorbell, there is a little light indicator and the dismounting gadget. So this is everything you get out of the box with the boxes behind it, and all of those things fit in that one tiny small box that is recyclable. Everything about that packaging was recyclable. Good job, Lindo. To set up your Lindo Dual-Cam, there's a user manual that makes it all very simple. In the back of it, there's a page that says, "Let's start," with a QR code. So with your cell phone camera, you just scan that in. The steps are what you'd expect them to be. You download the app, you sign in, you hook it up to your Wi-Fi. It takes a couple of minutes, and I found that having my Wi-Fi really close to the doorbell itself was a trick to make them pair quickly. And because I thought to get the 2 security doorbells because of my different entrances, at this time I was able to put them both in and to add that second device. And I got to name them. I named one Front Door. That was really easy to do. And then the second one goes to my guest suite. So I named it Guest Suite. Now you're going to want to make sure that you charged up your doorbell at least 4 hours before you actually start using it. So just plug in your USB port, and the other end is a Type-C charger that goes right into the doorbell. And you're going to want to charge it 4 hours before its first use. Lindo is thought to give you everything you would need no matter what kind of surface you're mounting your doorbell on. They give you the template, they give you the back plate, they give you a little bit of an angle plate in case you have wood that's at an angle on your door. They give you all kinds of hardware, whether you're going into stucco, whether you're going to deep wood, you need a deep screw. I'm using just this little screw. That's all I need on my door. They also give you wires in case you want to hard wire your doorbell, which I thought was wonderful because many old houses have the wiring for doorbells. And of course, the electrical caps. The user manual also contains the instructions on how to mount it, which I loved. And they're very easy to read. I have some of my own tools. I brought a level because I want to make sure my doorbell's level, but you could eyeball it. I'm also using a Phillips head screwdriver and just a little ice pick to start the screw to go in easier for me. So let's install our doorbell. I'm starting with the template they give in the kit. I'm peeling off the template and I'm just going to stick it on where I want my doorbell. I tap it to the top and then I'm going to see if it's level because sometimes I just don't eyeball very good. Let me get the bubble right, and then now let me get the sticker right. And now I'm level to the world. And Lindo has thought to make the template just slightly smaller than the plate. And with my awl, I'm aiming, shooting, and firing right into the bullseye. And do it for the lower one too. In it goes. The bracket has an up arrow. That means that's the top. I'm putting the screw inside and into the pre-started hole. And with my Phillips head screwdriver, you just do the twist until it's tight. And now the bottom's up. In it goes. So give that the twister game as well, all the way in. And just like that, we're ready to hang our doorbell. Because I have a few doorbells, I labeled this one the front door. It has inserts here that will go inside the mounting bracket, so it fits on very easily, just like that. And that's really secure on your door. I'm going to put in my little USB cover. There. And the Lindo security doorbell has thought to give you a detaching tool. So you don't need to have something sharp that you probably have around the house anyways. I like the tool, and it goes right up the center and just takes it off just like that. That's so simple. So easy. Back it goes. Let's test it. Well, hello, anyone home? It's working. And the Lindo Security Doorbell has thought with the door chime that plugs in to have a little storage place for your detaching tool. The Lindo Dual-Cam Security Doorbell is great to give you peace of mind and give you a presence whether you're home or not, so you can see what's going on at your door. Click the link below to get your Lindo Dual-Cam Security Doorbell. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for great security at your door. See you next time. If you like this video, click over here because there's some recipes you might want to make for your family.